Moose, what are you doing? What are you doing there? Looking for an ice cream sandwich?
Oh, pretty good, Moose, not gonna lie.
I know, if I had an ice cream sandwich, I'd give it to you. Gus, what are you doing? He's just staring us down, too. What? He's playing dead, I guess. Maybe he's gonna fall asleep. What is this? Gus! Okay, is he okay? Is he falling asleep? He hasn't moved. Yeah, he was fine with that, though. Hi, Gus. Move the foots out of there. Mr. Moose. Oh, nice. Good boy, Moose. He's still putting it on his back. Like, really ridiculous. Giving me the cute eyes. Oh, you're giving me the blink eyes. Mr. Moose. God, he knows how to get stuff out of us. He's doing this so we can let him up on top of the washer and dryer before we leave.
That's a good point.
He's like, if I can do this for 5 minutes straight, he hasn't moved again. Giving you the love eyes.
Will you send me a text?
Good boy, Moose.